my name is Jankauskas. I am a University of West London student studying computer science, and this is my project. Student ID 215458870. That's about it. So yeah, this is my main project. I call it Legacy Health, mainly just because of the features I have on it. It's a bit complicated, but I'll show. Just start from now. So it's a user-friendly app. So I make it look really simple, basic. I don't do no colory stuff, except just making it change overall, depending on what screen. I'll show you what I mean. So it's red. Here's the logo. LF. I used AI to generate this image. Simple, easy, quick. With the initials of LF at least, Legacy Fitness or Legacy Health. Call it whatever. Continue to get a sign up, login buttons right here. We're going to want to sign up. Just make up a username or do one that's already taken. So I can shows main functions for now. Username exists. I'll do the same password, not the same username. So yeah, just keep that. Sign up successful. JJ. No. What do I call myself? Maybe I'll just show no feature. Not that. Those caps. Map check. Okay. I've forgotten already. Use Map Jank. What? Login, there we go. Here's a survey with each question answered. You can determine a fact about the user they didn't know themselves. So I can show an example, but main feature isn't really out there yet. You don't need to do it, it's all optional if you don't want to waste users' time. So this is the main screen now. You have a bottom navigation view here. You can open the home screen, which will display all the main features of the app overall, including the PMI result, but it's very underdeveloped right now, so it looks empty, a bit random. But what this app could have is to high potential. It can have this really recent thing, for example, the AI Google released near December of 2023 called AI Gemini, where you can integrate AI into your Android Studio projects. And if I'd done this, I would have implemented it in mind, so users can ask questions they want regarding their health that's already collected from the SQLite or the survey. But it's just interesting stuff like AI with filters, obviously. BMI results, stopwatch, sticky notes on top of it. Just cool features I guess some apps don't have. This is an example. You subscribe, you have access to this already. And this is a little error. I'm trying to fix it. It's work in progress. This is shop fragment. You can access as well. I'll show the wireframes right now, so it's all simpler to comprehend what I'm trying to make here, because it's very sophisticated for now. Here we have a sign up login. This is a survey, and on the item shop, obviously I'm gonna have the title, description, search bar. Can make an image slider displaying discounted items below. So using the button I subscribe to, ideally I'd want it to also not only access the main features on the home fragment that was on earlier, but also have discounts, be able to use that membership to have exclusive discounts on the item shop. Not everything, because that will seem too good to be true. I'm using this through Quick Assist because I have to open this through my laptop that has Intel CPU, otherwise it don't work. So use Android Studio. So yeah, also there'll be a category down here, just so you want to find your vitamins, whatever. A recommendation bar as well I'd want to implement, so after completing the survey, I could recommend that if you're feeling tired, maybe you need some magnesium vitamins or vitamin D, just an example. In profile, I'll just add this stuff. It's just free stuff, free features like upcoming appointments, something that is standard use for the app. If you can't pay, something basic. Manage your subscription, health analysis, because the survey is free. You can still find out what's wrong with you to persuade you to use the card. So yeah, that's all about it. I can show, but the card itself, which is not in the app, is on a separate file. There's a bunch of errors, a bunch of things I gotta fix. Saved it over here. I'll show the main code actually now, before I show the card, because everything's here already. It's just, yeah, it's a free web. So the first screen has no Java function. Just click a button, go to the next slide. What is interesting, the login, which is it, the sign in, survey. Look at that. Homepage, login, sign in. I'll be here. Also show sign to explain that. This is the database that I'll be using by SQLite, which is what's storing all the username, the user's information, the username and the password. So it'll be all through here. Not this. This is survey, yeah. Public class. Keeps user details, password text. There's a bunch of if statements, I think. There'll be more on a different file. Just combining it together. I do not know this from memory, but I know I can adjust this to use it. Store info. I can make the features regarding before. On page 9. Where is it? This is a sign-in function. The evidence. Some have comments, some have just obvious text telling you what's happening here. So toast, else, passwords don't match, usernames exist. No network. Sign in, this is login. Login failed. Okay, next after you log in, you open the survey. This is what you do. You type in, because I typed in my name before and it popped up in the profile fragment. This is what needs to host the function of it. You have to make the text, or the edit text, or you input the name into a string, and you carry that string over to the XML file you want, and unload that string over there. So this is all the basic XML stuff. I use like third-party things to make cool stuff like this. Which is called, what's it called again? Doesn't say. You know what? Let's get signed in. One page. Done those. Alright, next it is short of a survey. Short fragment, profile fragment, one page. So short fragment, nothing to show. One page, old stuff. I have users backups, some comments. Shopping cart. Yeah, great, okay. This is for the card. Yes. On my way to making an item shop. So I'm not sure. Are you sure? On page 1, which is why it looks really cool. Because, come on, man, I can't find nothing. Organize this. The bottom navigation view right here. This thing is because of. Oh my gosh, it's you. Because of you. Yeah. Finito. Now, when I mentioned before the card integration, I'd be using this code that I've made. It doesn't run. It did run before December until new license stuff happened with Google Play, but I'll show you the code if it's worth something. Well, that was integrated. Very long. CV subs, CV IDs. Get price, subscribe. Really covers all coolness, to be honest. If you're not paying, or for how long, what year, what week, so there's a lot of depth to this. Also, the laptop's very slow, so I'll skip everything that's not shown right. From top. See bottom, you can pause, slow down. And then security. I was up to connection class, which is nothing. What was it going to display for everyone? So flashback. Not you, it was.
Now I am testing the app in.
Press subscribe. Opens up. Have basic subscription, free trial. Google Play, which is what my issue is here. Opens up. I have a product ID and everything, but it's just not going through because it's unverified. I paid 25 quid for this. It still don't work. You have the option to pay subscription. You go on Google Play itself to alter anything that you want, ideally. So I'll show my account also. Here you go, subscriptions, upload APK, manage. Already have the item one. This is the main product. The managed publishing is off. You see, it's all closed off, just not working. I've done the price tags and everything, you can't use it for testing. But anyway, yeah, that'll be it.